What makes tactical gear stitching truly heavy-duty? Imagine gear that can handle the toughest conditions without falling apart. That's what heavy-duty stitching in tactical gear is all about. It's not just about sewing, it's about making gear that lasts. Let's break down what makes stitching truly heavy-duty. First, the thread used is key. Tactical gear usually uses bonded nylon thread, often called size E or number 69. This thread is thick, strong, and resistant to abrasion. It also has a little stretch, so it can handle stress without snapping. This thread is made to meet military standards, so it's tougher than regular sewing thread. Next, the needle size and type matter. For thick fabrics like cordura, a larger needle, such as size 22, is used. This helps the needle go through multiple layers smoothly without damaging the thread or fabric. Then, the type of stitch and how densely it's sewn are important. Reinforced stitches like bartacks are common. These are dense zigzag stitches sewn over high-stress points like straps or attachment points. They spread out the stress and prevent tearing. The sewing machine itself must be strong enough to handle thick materials. Industrial machines with features like walking feet are preferred. They help feed thick layers evenly and keep the stitches consistent. Stitch length and seam allowance also play a role. Shorter stitches, around 1/8 of an inch apart, make seams stronger. But they shouldn't be so tight that they perforate the fabric. Larger seam allowances give room for extra stitching and repairs if needed. Quality control is essential. Skilled operators check for skipped stitches, loose threads, or snags. They often add extra fabric or reinforcement to high-stress areas. All these factors come together to produce gear that can carry heavy loads, resist abrasion, and endure repeated use. Whether it's a backpack, a plate carrier, or a tactical pouch, heavy-duty stitching keeps everything intact in demanding situations. To sum up, heavy-duty tactical gear stitching depends on using the right bonded nylon thread, industrial sewing machines with suitable needles, reinforced stitch patterns like bartacks, precise stitch length and seam allowances, and expert sewing techniques. When all these elements are in place, the gear can stand up to the toughest environments and keep you protected.